Hey everyone! Today we will open the 15.6-inch HP Victus Gaming laptop Model 15FB3000. You can find out more about its reliability, display quality, and full benchmark results in our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's dive in. To reach the internal components, we need to unscrew 7 screws and remove the bottom panel. We are using a JIS No. 1 screwdriver. All the screws are the exact same length. Using a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the internal clips holding the bottom cover. We are careful not to slide the tool too far inside. This prevents any damage to the internal components. We will use a suction cup for a little extra help here. The bottom panel is now fully removed. First, we will disconnect the battery, and then we will take a look at the rest of the hardware. Here is the primary solid-state drive. And here is the slot for a secondary drive. Under this shielding tape, you will find the memory slots. Down here, underneath the cooling system, is the processor. This is where the dedicated graphics card sits, right next to the dual fans. Over here is the Realtek Wi-Fi 6 card. Now we are disconnecting the battery cable. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. While we remove the screws, let's take a look at the battery. This is a 70 watt-hour unit. If you ever need a replacement, the exact HP battery model is WK04XL. We are taking out the primary drive. Both the slot and the included 1TB SK Hynix drive support PCI Express Generation 4 speeds. This is the second M.2 slot. It is empty right now, but it has a thermal pad ready for a future upgrade. Here are the two memory slots. These slots support DDR5 memory. HP officially lists a maximum of 24 GB, but laptops with this board can typically handle up to 64. The installed memory is an SK Hynix module operating at 5600 megatransfers per second. That wraps up our look inside the HP Victus 15. Check out our full review on laptopmedia.com to see how its cooling system handles heavy gaming. View our display color coverage tests and see its real-world battery life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.